This is what the Philistine lord said. No, we cannot take this David into battle. What are you doing, Achish? He will turn against us during the battle. What better opportunity for him to go back to his master? ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിയുള്ളവന്മാരാണേ. പെട്ടെന്ന് സ്ട്രൈക്കായി. Wait a minute. Isn't this the David who killed Goliath? And the people were singing that Saul has killed his thousands and David his tens of thousands. This David, you want to take it into battle? Tell him, send him back to Ziklag. പറഞ്ഞു ഒരു കാലത്തും പറ്റത്തില്ല. അപ്പൊ ഈ ഓഫർ ലെറ്റർ പുള്ളി പിൻവലിച്ചു. കിട്ടാനുള്ള ഈ നല്ല 6 ഫിഗർ സാലറി ജോബും ഭയങ്കര പേർക്സും അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജും മെഡിക്കൽ കവറേജും ഉള്ള പണി ഇവിടെ വരെ വന്നിട്ട് തിരിച്ചുപോയി. God shut that door. God shut that door. Because if God had not shut that door, David would have gone into battle against his own people. പദ്ധതിക്കെതിരെ ദാവീദ് പോയത്. What is the purpose of God? That he leads these people and destroys the Philistines. But if David, because of his own choice, remember, this choice was David's choice to go into Philistine. This choice was David's choice to go with King Achish. Still, God shut the door. See, most of the times we get so down that, oh, my choices have taken me away from the purpose of God. There is some truth to it. നിങ്ങൾ ആവശ്യമില്ലാതെ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും വേറെ വഴിയിലൊക്കെ പോയി സഞ്ചരിച്ച് സമയമൊക്കെ വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് then you'll have to come back. You'll have to come back because the purpose is still alive.